Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 32. Simplify 23 base 4 multiply by 22 base 4. So we have 23 multiplied by 22 in base 4. Now what you are doing is in base 4 now. Normally we have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Now when calculating in base 10, we normally write down 6. But because we are calculating in base 4 now, we'll say how many times can 4, which is the base, go into 6? Now 1, remainder 2. So is that remainder? We'll write 2. Then the number of times 4 can go into 6, which is 1, we'll bring it here, 1. Now 2 times 2 will give us 4, plus this one will give us 5. Now how many times can 4 go into 5? 1. We'll write the 1 here. Remainder 1, we put in 1. Then we bring this 1 down. That will give us 1, 1, 2. We come to the next, which is this 2. 2 times 3 again will give us 6. 4 can go into 6 one time. Remember 2. We'll write the 1 also like this. Write down the 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4, plus the 1 is 5. 4 can go into 5 once, which is this one. Remember 1. Then we'll bring this 1 down. So adding this up now, we have 2, 3, 2, 1 in base 4. So the answer to this question is 1, 2, 3, 2 in base 4. And that is option C, 1, 2, 3, 2 in base 4. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.